project breakdown. I'm Alan Wendt, your OpenText pre-sales partner for the Americas and professional workflow optimizer. But not only that, I'm your amateur coffee addict.
And I'm Mark Turner, tuning in from the UK and covering EMEA, but also moonlighting as the team's official translator for British sarcasm to business English.
Hey, appreciate the public service, my friend. Today, we've got a quick hit feature you'll want to stick around for because the workflow just got, well, good looking.
Therefore, let's break it down.
All right, today's all about key workflow steps and how OpenText's PPM new workflow ruler is making process automation more, well, visually satisfying.
For our long-time PPM customers, first off, congratulations. You've survived the old school workflow view. Those text-heavy transitions, functional, sure. Exciting, well, about as exciting as watching paint dry on an Excel spreadsheet.
Exactly. But now we're bringing workflows into the 21st century with a sleek graphical ruler that shows your key steps across the top of every request. Think of it as your project's GPS, except it doesn't reroute you past the coffee shops, unfortunately.
Well, it's clean, it's clear and interactive, and it helps users instantly know where they are in the process, whether it's idea submissions, change requests, or project proposals. It's all right there, visual, front and center.
And let me tell you, this has been a hit with our, let's call them vintage customers who've had these workflows built for years, maybe decades. It's like giving your classic car a modern dashboard.
That's right. Same reliable engine, much better sat nav. And it's an easy uplift. A few admin toggles, quick configuration, and boom, your workflows go from 1998 intranet to modern enterprise app.
So here we are looking at a standard demand request in OpenText PPM. You'll notice at the top, no visual workflow steps. The process is still happening behind the scenes on the Steps tab for the process, but for the user, there's no quick visual cue of where things stand.
So now we're going to switch on the new workflow ruler. And with just a few clicks, we can activate a more graphical, modern workflow experience, making it easier for users to track progress and next steps. And as you can see, every step in the workflow now appears visually along this ribbon, but not every step is equally critical. That's where the key steps come in.
From the admin side, we can mark which workflow steps are truly key. The major milestones, decision points, or even approvals that your teams care the most about. In just a few clicks, I've marked these steps as key, focusing the visual workflow on what matters most to your users.
Okay, so let's jump back to that same demand request. And there it is, a clean, simplified view showing only the major workflow milestones. It's easier to understand, keeps users focused, and brings a modern visual touch to your existing demand management processes.
Your workflows stay exactly as they are. No redesign needed, just enhanced visibility with a few clicks.
And a friendly reminder, Enabling this doesn't change your workflows, business rules, or approvals. It just makes them finally look as important as they really are.
Simple, clean, and honestly, it might just reduce your help desk tickets because now everyone can actually see what's happening.
And hey, if a visual workflow keeps one more project manager from sending a "where's my request" email, I'd call that return on investment.
I couldn't agree more. And speaking of return on investment, reminder, if you're listening and your workflows still look like they were designed on dial-up modem, it's time for an upgrade.
Reach out to your OpenText team. We'll show you how easy this is to switch on and make your demand management module feel brand new again.
That wraps us up for today. Thanks for tuning in to the Two Sales Engineers, the Project Breakdown. So until next time,
Keep your coffee strong
your processes efficient,
and your workflows visual.